and then to Umbrus. Feel like we've already made a significant amount of distance, but then again, we're skipping every cutscene that we can and not worrying about all the silly stuff anymore.
Welcome to my...
Sorry, don't care. Bolts as we can. I'd like to still get as many bolts as I can without having to worry too much about the
Hi there, Fuzzball.
other stuff.
That's a real beauty.
Yeah, doing the other bits of glitchiness for money. Because it is a lot of money getting 1,000,000 bolts. Alright, back to the Rhino. Hopefully it'll take out the next one. It did not. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Explode. Oh, I got too close to that one. I feel like those bullets have an infinite distance. I don't think I see those bullets stop unless they hit a wall or something. Oh, some of the rockets already came by and destroyed some of those annoying mines. Alright, I will be careful. Simply because this game has a thing about making the most inconvenient spawn rates. I don't want to get caught with that again. Yeehaw. Alright. We're halfway there. Halfway there. Not really, but supposedly this would be enough to buy at least one gold weapon. It's just unfortunate that the gold weapons don't actually increase damage done or, you know, do things that you would think golden weapons would be good for. Mostly just because it looks nice. But there is that achievement, so we have to get it either way. Let me see. I was about to say, I know there's a bunch of boxes in here, but we have to go this way. And that'll open up the door in the front where there once was a golden bolt and a bunch of boxes. Yep, give me the health back. Yeah, I wish we could get the Rhino ammo in the inside the ammo crate, but I'll take what I can get. That's one. That's two. That's three. Alright. passed up all those boxes and trying to make sure we cleared up the way ahead. So make sure I grab those before I leave. All right. Oh, it wasn't this way? I thought it was. Jesus Christ. I really do hate these turrets. Well. Oh, I thought it was going to be all the way back at the beginning. Because, you know, that's how this game usually goes. But yeah, in challenge modes, the enemies are supposed to get stronger. I'm not really sure if I feel it getting stronger, but at the same time, we're also using just the Rhino, and that's why I was like, I'm unsure if they do it in this game, because, oh, now that's just rude. Can't even break them. The door was open, I thought I'd be fine. That was just not really... Yeah, I don't like that. Don't like the fact that it didn't keep that open. Not that I can complain, ooh, too much. We can just use the blaster. There's no reason to... Oh. Rhino went on up. There we go. Alright. Don't want to forget these over here. That might be enough to set me over the 6-5. Nope. Barely even enough to set me past 6-4, honestly. I want to know how they expected you to grind out for the Rhino on your first run. Hydro Displacer. How do you like me now? I do like how they actually have feet. They can walk. They are capable of walking. But being out of the water still hurts them. That's the Hydro Displacer. I'll fill her up. Oh, one more set of boxes might be enough to... Ooh, yep, there it was. 65. Yeah, I probably should not have jumped in there. Because that guy can nip my butt and kill me in one hit. Alright, back to the Hydro Displacer. And into the Rhino. Nope. I was about to say, did you kill all of them? I'm glad I checked before I just put it all back. Alright. No. This way again. Hydro Displacer again, and put it all back. Oh. I can't wait to see how this boss fight is gonna go. Alright. We're almost at the end, I do believe. There's a couple of things left to do. I think there's only 2 more rooms. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. If I remember correctly, this is another one that you have to do, and then you have to take the water back out. but you just can't quite reach that level, that shelf. In order to get up there, we look at that. That was in fact it. We had 2 more rooms. Yes, I'm counting this little piece right here as a room, but not the hallway. Hallways aren't rooms. Alright, let us get into this fight.
Well...
Ah! He did that pretty quick, actually. So yeah, this will go pretty quickly. Oh! I was about to say, I thought you would have stepped on the thing and died by now. Come on at me then. I gotta make sure I stay away from him, at least for the most part. Because he can get rid of all your ammo. Well, if he's gonna be in the way, we didn't have a chance to do this the last time, but I will. Oh, I didn't realize those sank. Yeah, come on at me. See what happens if you come at me. I'm melting. See, oh, it's all the way over there. I was about to say, I don't remember the exit, but that's because you have to. Oh. Well, I went through the fight without getting hit.
I wonder... We're pinned! Those are Drek ships destroyed.
Let's see. I don't remember where that is. We're gonna go through here. Ah, I understand. I remember. We go through here. Planet Batalia. He puts us to work. We get the info bot that sends us to Pokitaru. No? No, not here. We get the info bot that sends us to somewhere else. Where was it? I thought it was Pokitaru, but I don't think it is. It's, where is it? I don't remember. We'll find out. Let's see if I can do this without getting hit again. That was awesome. I went through that little piece like I did. Didn't take a single hit. I thought I was a bad mamma jamma. Like, honestly, I did it without attempting to. Oh well. So much for not getting hit. And then you can't take out all 3 at once. Alright, and then to the right. To the right, to the right. I'm afraid to sing more than that in the hopes of not getting copyrighted. I don't even know if they can copyright you for that one, but I'd rather not find out. After being hit with copyright while playing Metro Exodus, I just...
Halt! Thanks a bunch.
Greetings, Supreme.
Okay, so it's this area first. I'm trying to think, though. I remember we get the info bot from Pokitaru. Maybe I should just go ahead and follow this place through. I know I can't finish this place, but I can't finish this place without the Magna Boost, which I get from Chairman Drek's home world. Ooh. Well. Yep, that was a fall. Let's just go ahead and max myself out on the ammo.
Great bargains for you today.
There it is. I was about to say, I know that one guy was behind me. I don't want to take that chance of getting smacked when I'm not looking. Oh, he still didn't die. I guess his whole thing was like the sneak and peek. Wait for you to get close by and then pop up and hit you. We're almost at that good number there. Kinda wish I had the sand mouse item. Those little buggers are tough. I know there's still a couple of them. Oh, look, like that guy there. Yeah, I don't plan on sticking around for you guys to hit me. This is the first half, ain't it? Because we can't do anything else without the magnet boots. Nothing in here. But I don't remember if he gives me an info bot or not. Just for getting this far.
Blasted thing, it won't budge. Hello, once again.
Now do you understand why we must...
Yeah, okay. Planet Orxon. We do have to go to both of those new planets anyways. But Orcon, that is, that's where we get the Magna Boots. No. Yes? I know we get the info bot for Poketaro after we get the Magna Boots, right? Because Clank gets the info bot for Poketaro. I remember getting the magnet boots here, but it might be the info bot for that. Yep, the O2 mass is required, which we get from Poketaro. You know, I really don't think it's worth breaking these as Clank. They seem to give out less bolts than your average bear. That one. Break this one. guys did not attack. That is very upsetting. And then enter. I said enter. Like Jesus. How hard is it to enter? Y'all gonna attack? Thank you. I don't know why these guys are being such a pain. Just keep myself from being hit and dying. Well, so much for keeping myself from being hit and dying. Hey, we're at 69. Wonder if we can actually make it to 69, 420. Oh, that was one of my robots. I forgot that they could die. Alright, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Just make sure that was all of them. Pretty sure gadget bots in another one of the games. Is there anything back there I should care about? Doesn't look like it. Enter. Ah, yes, I remember this. Because I remember being very confused. I say, come on, y'all. Bunch of fools. Well, we passed 69, 420. And nope. Wait here. Now you follow. All right. Enter. Let's do this first. I'm missing something. Hold on. I'm missing one somewhere. Is he hiding up here? Am I just... No? There's one missing. Where is he? Oh, he was right here on the corner. I don't know why I didn't see him. No, enter. Thank you. It is the magnet boots. Okay. So what other Clank only sections were there? No, that wasn't it. There, you definitely get the other one here, don't you? I just didn't. I'm pretty sure there's a whole other section that I didn't do yet. Because I remember guiding the, yeah. I could have just went this way, because I remember you have to guide these guys through here, too. I swear, I was going to say, I swear that you got the O2 mask here. Well. Come on. I didn't have an issue with this the last time. Follow me now. I guess I just do what I did the last time and hold to one side. Ta-da! Y'all get out of the way. I don't remember there being another tiny plank spot. Maybe there was, though. But either way, I don't remember it. Alright, that's all of these guys. I was about to say, I don't want to hear that any one of y'all died. Okie dokie. Let's go. And we go up here. Make this run while we can. I think we go right through here, but I think the snake thing comes this way, right? Yeah, so now we go. Because these guys can't jump, we have to be able to walk the distance. Oh, I thought this went around for some reason. And there we go. Made it to the end of this line. Still have to not fall in, I guess. So it's not over. I wonder, is this like acid? Or is this just sludge? I'm missing one. Where did one get lost? I know I had them all. I didn't count them as I... Okay, good. I was about to say, I didn't count them as I came through here, but... Are you really stuck on that corner? That... Okay. Okay, game. At least I didn't have to walk all the way back to find him, though. So I'll count that as a win. Alright. Hey, we hit 70K. Ow. That was attack. Someone died. Not too worried about all this, honestly. Because if they die and respawn, they'll all just die and respawn pretty much right next to me. I don't know why they were trodden in place. I was about to say, there should be one more that died. Just set these guys to attack and let them at it. It keeps stopping on wait. I don't know why. Alright, with all these guys, though, it shouldn't be too big of a deal. Alright, all of y'all are not waiting. No attack. I don't get that. They kept doing that. I keep pushing it straight down towards attack, and they won't attack. Boom. Alright, now for the infobot. Alright, now we can get back to the ship and head along. That said Poketaro, not Quartu, right? Come on.
What do you have?
Cities are full of...
July Resort.
Alright, so I think before we go there, we need to go to the this place and get the helmet.